Wow, look at this. Look at this. It's looking a lot different than last time. This guy's actually even drywalled the garage. Got the cabinets in. It's looking good. Hey, bathroom, shower, ready for tile. These are tile that we're going to be putting in. In the bedroom. And so last time it was all framed, but it wasn't completely done. There's the master. So Glenn's been over here, prepped, ready for the shower pan, ready for inspection.
Hey, Paul. Glenn, sure.
Oh no.
That'd be perfect.
I think that matches pretty well.
Good.
Yeah.
It does, huh?
Oh, that looks great, Glenn.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Yeah. Do we want to go this way too, right? Because of the door?
Is that how you usually do it?
I would think so. I just think like when it comes in, I don't like the short look of that. I like that.
So then that would be coming this way Sunday to here.
And then this will be opposite.
I think there.
I think so too. Because it's gonna match the, it's gonna match that.
Right.
Yeah, I think that'll look good with
Yeah,
that.
I
I think
think
that
that-
way it's gonna look funny, like you said. I think it just it's
Okay.
different.
This way or this way?
Yeah.
Right.
And so depending on, I mean, it could be half or whatever too, but it's gonna run long ways.
Yeah. I kind of think Glenn might be right on the.
This way?
Yeah.
Yep.
At least that's what you see.
That way, and then I'll run and I'll work left and right. He goes, that's how I do it. So I mean, I know that's well, at least how he thinks it should go.
Yeah.
You did.
I changed my music for you Sunday.
I thought that was your ringtone.
So if you don't know this shit and you're riding in rodeos, then you better stop riding in rodeos.
We know exactly what that is.
Just saying.
Oh, that's funny.
That's my second favorite, okay? If you want to talk about that one.
That's good. That's good. Heading over to Crestridge today to check it out. Also, we got A+ gutters coming over to put seamless gutters up around the entire property. We just think it's a really nice thing to add to the house. It kind of cleans up the lines and makes it look really good, and it is good for the homeowners. Really not that much more. Usually around anywhere between $500 and $800, but it's definitely well worth it. The guy will just make them right there, so we'll kind of watch him do that and then see what else is going on. I think we are painting cabinets today, so looking forward to getting over to Crestridge and see what it looks like. So I think Randy's over here. I'm not really sure what he's doing, but we'll kind of sneak in and see what he's up to. Good morning. What do you got going on there?
Floor leveling.
How's that going to come out?
Go great, Paul. Huh? See, there's no reason to put that in, Paul. Good.
So So we got Glenn in here doing the gift, but you know what's really interesting? He's breaking in our speaker up here because these things are Bluetooth speakers and they're super awesome. The sound quality is pretty good on that, huh?
Yes, it's awesome.
So you know, and you can have all the same music in all the same rooms.
Oh, really?
And they aren't that much more. I mean, they're pretty cheap. Sweet, looking good.
The messy part now.
Good. Glenn runs with the old classic country.
I love it.
I do too.
Texas smile on your face. I said, girls, I ain't as good as I once
So we got the gutter guys come in, they're pulling the truck up and they're gonna be making the gutters. Okay, looks like Randy's been hard at it, painting the cabinets. Is the paint going on pretty easy?
Well, it's going good. I put 2 coats on them. And now I hit it with a sander block. And I'm gonna give them a final coat.
They look good.
All that left over the bottom? Yes.
Bathroom is done, looking good.
Well, the problem is
Jorge, good morning, George.
Hi, good morning.
What are you doing?
Yes, very good. Doing some prep for the flooring. Getting rid of the tile
Oh yeah,
debris.
getting ready for flooring.
Yeah, that's new.
Randy,
Morning.
morning?
Well, I'm doing it for the video.
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect.
Right.
Afternoon. What's going on?
Hey, brother.
All good?
Yeah, all good, man. You came back.
Putting floors in today at Crest Ridge.
Are they supposed to go the other
Yeah, I think
way?
they're supposed to go the other way.
George, I make a mistake.
Yeah.
I was